Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an all-day clean with me on a sick day. Both of my kiddos were sick and they stayed home from school, so I figured I would just clean up while they rested. So we recently got a fish. We got a betta fish during fall break a couple weeks ago, and so I thought I would start off by cleaning the fish tank. I have not had a fish in years, and actually when I had one, we did not have these tanks like this with the filter and everything. So when we bought the fish, she had said originally, she's like, yeah, just clean it out once a month. And I was like, oh, okay. Well, it has been a week and the water is already super cloudy. So I was like, yeah, this is gonna have to be a weekly thing. So I'm just starting off by emptying all the water out and then taking the rocks out. And I'm gonna clean this thing. The fishy is already out. She's over by the coffee maker. If you guys have any tips on an easier way to clean these things, I would love to hear it down below. Like I said, I haven't had a fish in so long, and when I had one I was little, so I think my mom cleaned it out for me. So if you guys have any tips, I would love to hear them. So today I'm going to be focusing a lot on laundry and organizing my clothes. I need to go through my closet really bad, and I really don't like doing it, but I really wanted to do it today. So my husband had recently done it a couple weeks ago, so that kind of motivated me to do it. So I will be doing that. So all right, let's get into it. I don't even want to do this, but it's something that I need to do. So we are doing a garage sale this weekend with my mom's group. So right now I'm going through clothes. My husband had some clothes that he put in there, so I am going to attempt I'm going to take everything out of my closet and color coordinate it and organize it and clean it. So I hate doing this. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is the before, and I swear I just recently cleaned this thing out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are all pants, yoga pants, jeans, shorts, shoes. Ugh. This is just who the heck knows, and shirts and more shirts, dresses. Oh. So a lot of this stuff goes in our master bathroom too. We're remodeling our bathroom still, so once that is finished, I'll be able to organize a little bit better. But right now, I'm gonna go through and take all this stuff out and organize it. Here we go. So this is actually something I used to do a long time ago. I haven't done it recently, but I have found that if you color coordinate your tops in your closet, it helps you stay organized. My problem is when I do laundry, or when I just if I wear a shirt once and it's not dirty, I just kind of throw it to the side and I don't hang it up. But this way, if you organize it by color, you know exactly where everything goes. So this helps me stay on track. I'm hoping this will help this time. Like I said, I haven't done it in a while. So I'm just gonna go through and keep everything organized by color, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so now I'm back to the laundry, and I find that my husband has left stuff in the dryer. I mean, at least it wasn't in the washer, right? Anyone else have this problem? He does this all the time. So some of the clothes smelled a bit musty, so I'm going to have to go ahead and rewash them, and that is why I'm sniffing everything. But yeah, he does this quite often. A lot of times he'll just leave it in the washer, which is worse, and I just end up washing it right away. but at least he put it into the dryer.
There's something missing, someone's missing me. I don't know if what we had was just a waste of time. You got 70,000 friends, but I am one of them. One of them. I know someday we could finally be friends, without risk of falling in love again. And I feel now it is time to let you go, without hesitation. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a loss of balance when I think of you and me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me.
Alright, now we are going to start with the closet. I am going to be taking everything off the shelves and cleaning them and then reorganizing. I'm going to be using my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent. This is one of their fall scents and it just makes everything smell so good. I get most of my cleaning products from the Grove Collaborative. If you guys have never heard of them or tried them before, I'm going to leave one of my links down below. If you sign up, you can get a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer set, which is like, I think it's worth over $20. So I love their products. They're starting to roll out their holiday scents. I think you can pre-order them right now. So I will leave that down below for you guys to check out.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Alright, here is the after. I think it looks so good. Now let's see how long we can keep it like this. Like I said, my husband had recently organized his side too, so that really helped make me motivated to do this. So I don't know, I wonder who's going to keep their side cleaner the longest. We shall see.
So change your heart.
Alright, moving on to the bathroom. I am spraying out my toilet with bleach. I like to do that every once in a while. And ooh, I was just giving you guys a thumbs up. BoxyCharm was awesome this month. I will put a link for my BoxyCharm unboxing for October. There's some really fun stuff in there. If you guys don't get it, you need to check it out. So in the bathroom, I like to use my Caldrea countertop spray. It leaves the bathroom smelling so good, and I feel like it lasts all day. Like I'll clean it in the morning, and by nighttime, it still smells good. And then on the mirrors, I like to use my Method glass cleaner.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
And now I'm moving on to the living room, and I'm using my apple cider Mrs. Meyer's again because it's fall and it just smells wonderful. Okay, you guys, I would like to introduce you to our newest member of our family. This is Maya, and she's a Roomba. I am completely obsessed with this thing. It's my little cleaning helper. I love that I can be cleaning or doing dishes, doing laundry, and this thing will vacuum for me at the same time. We got it at Costco, and I completely love it. I was super unsure about these things. That's kind of why we got it at Costco, because I figured if I didn't like it, we could send it back. But we've had it for a couple weeks now, and I don't want to live without it. So I'm really enjoying this thing. Alright friends, that does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope it gave you some motivation to go clean. Also, if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for watching, and I would love it if you would consider sticking around and subscribing. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you know whenever I upload a new video. And I want to leave you guys with one positive saying. I heard it the other day in my yoga class: share your smile with the world. It's a symbol of friendship and peace. And I just feel like if you smile, it just makes everything better, and it's contagious, and there's so much negativity in this world. So go out there and smile, you guys. All right, we'll see you all next time. Bye.